welcome back. It's me, Sharon. Today we're gonna make a really interesting breakfast food that I really like and to my heart, like really to my heart. It is the Norwegian Crepes. It is really soft, and what makes it different from French crepes is it's more delicate and more chewy-ish. So let's get started. So over here we have 1.5 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 dash of salt, that's like a pinch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and last but not least, 3 teaspoons of sugar. And you also need a bowl and a whisk. So the first step is to crack all your eggs, and in total it will be 3 eggs. The next step is to put in your milk and just mix it up. And as my friend would say, mixy mixy. Okay, this is done. All mixed up. Okay, so the next step is to just add the vanilla paste. And if you actually try it in real life, it tastes awful by itself. Unless you really want to try eating vanilla paste yourself, then go ahead. Not stopping you. So the next ingredient to put in is your butter, and it has to be melted so that it can evenly mix in to the crepes batter. So one thing that actually makes it really soft and delicate is the butter. There's a lot of butter put into this recipe, like butter in batter itself and butter on the crepes pan that we're gonna make we're gonna fry the batter on. So now we're gonna put in the flour. So we need to sift it so that all the lumps will go away. So just this here and just put the flour inside. So it'll be a little bit flaky or like kind of hard when you first mix it in, but the key thing is to just keep mixing until the batter is really smooth. And then you put your sugar and salt. So as you can see, these lumps, they're basically just flour that didn't mix well into the batter. So what you're gonna do is later on the next step, we're gonna put it through a sift. So for now, don't really worry about these lumps forming on the top. Scrape the lumps, the extra lumps that you. So now that the batter is all evenly combined and smooth, now it's time to make it and fry it on the pan. Okay, so to make the crepes on the pan, you will definitely need the pan or the Crepes Maker that we have right here. And then you'll also need this, I don't even know what this is called. So, okay, so you're challenged. Actually not a challenge, but you have a chance to answer in the comments down below, what is the name of this crepes thingy? If you can answer it, there will be no prize, but you'll be mentioned in the next video. So next is you'll need a butter and a brush, and this is just to brush the surface of the Crepes Maker to bake or like to make the crepes not stick on the maker. Then you'll need your silicone spatula just to pick up the crepes later when it's done. And then of course you'll need your batter and a 1/3 cup so that you can put it on and you can measure. Okay, so first up is to make this pan hot so that it can melt the butter. So first what I like to do is basically just turn it on for 1 second or 2 and then just let it become hot for some seconds and then turn it off again so that the butter doesn't brown and burn. So over here, you're just gonna put our butter, and it's just you just want it to melt and not burn or not make it brown or anything. And then that your skins are done, it's time to put the filling. The filling is free, anything you want in the whole entire world, but over here we got my 4 favorite toppings. They include blueberry filling or jam, strawberry jam, peanut butter, and Nutella. So yeah, so we're just gonna put it in. What you got to do is just, I'm gonna start with Nutella because it's my favorite. So just put it in the center and spread it to like bread and jam. Usually, I like to put a lot because I love Nutella. Ow. Okay, so the thing is that you have to put more on one half of the crepes so that when you fold it into a triangle, it won't overflow. But you can put some more extras, like what I did. So just first fold it to fold it again in the middle, and then you fold it again. Okay, now it's time to plate. Okay guys, that's it to making the Norwegian crepes. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel and watch other videos in our channel. Bye!